The details of giveaway are at this timestamp. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a very different kind of a product. This is basically a supplement to grow your height. These are Long Looks Ayurvedic capsules and these claim to grow your height to up to 3 inches. So, I always used to think that these kind of products are a little gimmicky because height is basically predetermined. Like, we'll be as tall as our parents are. Like, this is all genetic. Like, height cannot be artificially grown. I always do think that. But when I saw the results of this product, I was shocked. I felt like talking about this ASAP. So basically, I'm not talking about myself. My friend's cousin, she is approximately 5'1", and she is 17 years old and she wants to be an air hostess. So there are many professions which require a good height. For example, for men, if you want to be in the army, or if you want to be a model actress, or if you want to be an air hostess, you need to have a very good height. And not only these glamorous professions like air hostess and model and everything, they need height. Also, if you see the matrimonial ads which we have, like, wanted bride, we have these ads, and in these ads we can definitely see need a fair, slim, tall bride for our groom. This is mentioned, like height is always mentioned in matrimonial sites as well. So this thing cannot be overlooked. People are still obsessed with height, which this fact cannot be changed. You need to have a very good height. So she wanted to be an air hostess, but height was a hindrance. So she tried this, and I personally could see a visible slight difference in her appearance. And now, I mean, that will be because of this only, because she said she used to take these capsules. So I felt that I should talk about these so that you can also know that there's a product like this which is available, which you can try with zero side effects, as this is Ayurvedic. Alright, so coming back to this product, this one pack contains 60 capsules, and I have with me these two packages which I am planning to give away. I'll be giving these two packages to two different people who are interested in looking a little tall. So yeah. Alright, so this one pack has 60 capsules, and this retails for 498 rupees. Alright, it is basically said that your height doesn't grow after the age of 18, but this product claims to grow your height till the age of 25. So yes, and how you have to take this, I'll tell you. Even children can take this. Like, if your child is in the age group of 10 to 12 years, then he or she has to take this capsule thrice a day, like like they can have after more, like breakfast, lunch, dinner, they can have one capsule. If your child is in the age group of 13 to 20, you have to take two capsules twice a day. And if you are above 20 years, then you have to take two capsules thrice a day. Yeah, so that is the calculation. Everything is mentioned over here, like you can read this aram se. Yeah. All right. So also, I would like to say one more thing, that only adding these capsules in your daily regimen will not help you in increasing your height. You need to work for it. You need to do exercises. You need to have a proper diet. You need to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Just popping a capsule and lying on the bed won't make you achieve your desired height. You need to work for it. You need to do a lot of stretching, and you need to do a lot of things. Just take these capsules, because these capsules are going to work as a catalyst to increase your height. So I'll show you how these capsules are from inside. This is the size of the capsule. So these are 20 capsules, and there are 2 more strips. Yeah. Alright. So now coming back to the giveaway portion. Now there are some rules. As I told you, I'll be giving these to two different people, so there are some rules to follow. Okay, so first of all, you'll have to subscribe to my channel. It should not be that difficult, I guess. You have to subscribe to my channel. You have to follow me on Instagram. Like, this is my Instagram ID. I'll put in the description box, and also I'll write it somewhere. That's my Instagram ID. You have to follow me there on Instagram, and plus you have to comment why you need this, what is your current height, and why you need this. Let me know, and then I'll select two people and I'll give this to you. Just in case you're finding this a little awkward to comment down your height and why you need this, you can also DM me on my Instagram. That's a very private message. I'll see to it and I'll reply to you. Yeah, this will approximately take care of your 1 month ka quota, I think. Yeah, 1 month quota to the taker. You have this for 1 month and then you see for yourself if you can see visible small. Though this product takes 3 months to show results, and they claim to grow your height up to 3 inches. So 3 inches is a big deal. 3 inches is a lot. So you try it for 1 month for free. You try it for 1 month and then see whether you want to continue this or not. It's your choice. As is Ayurvedic, this has zero side effects. There is no tension of any kind of side effect, and the ingredients also used are very natural. As I'll tell you, the babool, neem, somlata, this has very natural ingredients. So no worry of any kind of side effect. Yeah. So that was it. I would definitely want to know who wants this product. So do follow the giveaway conditions. I'll put everything in the description box as well, so you can check the description box. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.